Welcome back to the final day of Vlogmas. So it's not Christmas when I am filming this. It's actually a couple days ago. But nonetheless, Merry Christmas from my family to yours. All right, let's take these off because I'm afraid something's gonna poke me in the eye. So it is actually Tuesday. It is actually Tuesday, but when I was sitting down last night, I realized I really want to stop any and all filming right here, just because my husband comes home today. I'm so excited for Jesse to be here. It is, I just can't wait. And we'll have him here until Sunday. So freaking awesome. But so yeah, it's already a late start. I looked at the clock. It's 9:30. But in true fashion, I woke up at like 4:30 in the morning because that's just what my body is used to. And I have been in cleaning mode. This is actually a morning where I woke up and I have felt the best since my procedure. I wasn't like in pain the second I got out of bed, which is what I've been dealing with for the last few days. I still have to be very, very careful. In fact, I was wiping down the inside of the shower and I was just like, oh, I can't quite bend that way. It was like hurting my hip area. So I do have to like really pay attention to my body. So there's that. But I did get the bathroom done. I actually got all of my laundry done. I have not touched putting away laundry in almost a week. So that is done. I actually have some meat thawing. I'm going to make like almost like a Puerto Rican beef stew type thing tonight since Jesse's coming home. I thought it would be really cool just to make him a really nice meal. Well, a nice meal for all of us, but just something really nice. And yeah, that's really it. I was gonna go vote today because there is early voting for the Senate runoff. That is actually what, January 5th, something like that. So I was gonna go do that, and then I realized I should wait till tomorrow because Jesse will be here, Nathan's on break, Kayla will be here. We can all go together, and that would be awesome. Although I'm not actually sure if Kayla can go because she has to work all day. She might be the one who's going to have to vote on January 5th. I hope I have that date right. Anyway, so that's what we're up to. I just need to get like some blankets folded. Like the couch is just, this is where we hang out. So it's actually really not that bad. I might not even touch that. I don't have any gifts to wrap. That's one of the things that I was like sitting down thinking, wow, I didn't do any like wrap with me type things. I just had to wrap gifts when I could wrap gifts, and it couldn't happen on camera. So there's that. So I'm gonna have some breakfast and I will catch up with you guys in a bit. These Asiago cheese bagels from Sam's Club are the best. They literally taste like what you could get at Panera, but obviously not at a Panera price. They're just such a great deal, and lately this is just what I've been craving to have with my breakfast. I had a little bit of yogurt earlier, but it's been a couple hours since then, so now I just need something to really fill me up. Also, the Christmas light drama continues. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there are more lights out here and here. And when I checked it last night, it turns out that all of the pre-lit lights that came attached to the tree are now dead. And the lights that I added to make up for the pre-lit lights that went out are the only thing that are on now. I'm just like, I really hope that the lights that I added at least last through Christmas. That would be awesome. I can't believe that this is a 1-year-old tree and this is how the lights are acting. Ugh. But look at all that. Everything is wrapped. We are good to go. All right, so I haven't gotten much else as far as cleaning done. I just haven't. But I figure since it is Christmas, it is time to get the rest of these advent calendars done, and as much as I've enjoyed them, I'm ready for this part to be over with. So let me get my glasses. Anyway, I think that these are adorable, and yeah, let's just have some fun. Okay, this is gonna be like rapid fire, people. We are not here to like ooh and ah over everything. So we're gonna do plain thing first, and I have like no idea where to look. Okay, let's start with, I thought I had the 19th still due. Yes, 19th is, not even guessing, but it feels like a stamp. I feel like the clock is ticking because this could take like forever. Or not. Paper clips. We have paper clips. Very cute. Okay, moving on. I told you, we are not messing around here. All right, let's see. We have got Let It Snow. It's a stamp. I told you guys, this camera is a heck of a lot better than my other camera. It's not perfect, especially with clear things, but that's awesome. The 21st. Ooh, I love these. I keep looking over here at the viewfinder. These are so cute. Some stickers. Okay, let's move that stuff out of the way. We have got a few sheets of stickers here. So you've got the boxes, some decorative pieces, and then some script stickers. All right, awesome. The 22nd, did I lose? Is there one for the 25th? I may have lost it downstairs. All right, we've got some decorative papers. Super cute. Okay, in that same sort of blue theme. I really like this one. I'm hoping that the color will kind of pick up. There you go, you can kind of see it. And then it's got some stars on the other side. Winter is here. Snowflakes on the other side. Some ice skates. Oh my God. Okay, and then, yeah, that's it for that. And then, did I skip the 23rd? No. All right, the 23rd. Okay. Also, I thought we'd come and sit over here by the pencil tree in the loft because I feel like it hasn't gotten any love. Okay. And washi tape. I feel like we got the thicker washi tape at the beginning of this advent calendar, so this might be the matching one. It looks like there's some words on it. I'm not going to unroll it. We're moving along. All right, and then here is the 24th of the Planning Thing box. Ooh, what is this? It's a pouch. How do you open it? All right. It's a pouch wrapped in a lot of plastic. It is a matching snowflake pouch. How cute is that? It's got gold hardware, my favorite. Where did that accent come from? Anyway, that is really, really cute. So now I can store all of the things that came in the advent calendar in here. I think for the most part, with the exception of the paper, everything will fit. I really, really liked the Planning Thing advent calendar, and it's definitely one that I would highly recommend getting. All right, friends. What day did I start on? The 19th? This is what's tough, is that you've got to like find everything. All right, the Friends Advent Calendar on the 19th is, I feel like there's multiple things in here. They're little page flags. This is like this was legit a planner, Friends type of Advent box, which is really cool. So one says, it's a moo point. And when coffee is life. And they say the same thing on the whole like little thing. Okay. There's that. Let's go to the 20th. That is the only thing I don't like about this advent calendar and the obscene amount of gift tags that we got. We have, oh my gosh, what are these? Little cards. More of the cards with like the script and like the specific scene that matches the front of the card. There's that. All right. 21st. Where are you? Where I found the 22nd. Which I'm about to grab that if I can't find the 21st. Found it. They're hard. Some of them are hard to open and then some aren't. So we've got more of the little recipe cards. So we have Joey's Joey's Burger Commercial Burger. Blech. And then the Mr. Trieger's Holiday Party and Nachos. Pretty cool. I like that we got little recipe cards here because I could actually see myself making some of these things if I don't lose them. All right, the 22nd. It's another button. It's the frame on the back of the door. The buttons are tiny though, but it's okay. I think that's really cool. I would actually put this up in my office. I really like it. Okay, 23rd. We're almost there, people. We're almost there. I see the 24th. 23rd was right in the middle. The 23rd are some stickers. So there are those. Very cute. moving on. I told you guys I was not messing around because after this, we are done. We're done. Vlogmas is over. 24th, we have another one of the, what would you call this? Holiday quotes. It says it right on the front. I don't know why we had to play a guessing game there, but it is the holiday quotes. And it's just full, like a little book full. Again, it has little things so you can hang it on your tree. Awesome. 25th, we are finally done. Okay. I think I should wear these glasses for like the rest of forever. These are cute. So you have these little photos right there, and they're like on that scratchy material. I don't know what you would call that, but that's really cute. I like that. Is that the beginning of the show and the end of the show? No, that's not, because her hair didn't look like that. Anyway, these are cute. So that is it for the Friends calendar. I would recommend this one simply because it had a lot of planner related type things, but if you're not a planner person, that's like completely irrelevant. The dogs are staring at me like, hurry up. But it was cute. It was really cute. There was just a lot of gift tags, but I liked how they could be used in your tree for like ornaments and things like that. So that's awesome. All right, next, David's tea. These glasses will not work for that, but we're gonna try. The 19th is, and we're not gonna do a sniff test either. I'm lying. I probably would want to sniff all of these things. Peanut butter cup. Peanut butter cup in a tea. All right, you guys. I feel, ooh. That smells like I'm gonna have that right now. Let's put that right here. It smells like a peanut butter cup. All right, the 20th is, let's see. Hello, I cannot. Winter Earl Grey. That sounds like a tea aficionado's dream. Not so much mine. Just smells like tea. Regular old tea. There's nothing wrong with that. It's just I like the ones that are a little bit more flavored. 21st is Pomegrateful. Oh, I love that name. That's really cute. All right. Some of these are very tight. Let's see. Oh, that's a nice one too. Really nice. I like the ones that are a little bit more fruity like that. So that one I'm going to set out too because I might have that today as well. All right, the 22nd, we have Sleigh Ride. That sounds amazing. Ooh. Okay, there's definitely some cinnamon in there. Let's see if I can find it on the back because I am intrigued by this one. Yeah, there's no way that I'm gonna be able to see that. Let me grab my phone. So Sleigh Ride has apple, candied pineapple, hibiscus blossoms, candied papaya. That sounds amazing. So this is definitely one that I would probably have like on Christmas Eve. It smells really, really good. I really like that one. I'm gonna put that up there too. Okay, what do we have left? We have the 23rd. So this advent calendar only goes to the 24th too. So I guess it's just depending on the individual calendar. We have Valerian Nights. Ooh. That smells like it has some fruit in it. It's okay. It's fine. I don't even know what's in it, but we are moving along. All right. The 24th is Santa's Secret. That's so cool. All right. What is that? It smells chocolatey. Let's see. Santa's Secret. We've got to find that one. All right, Santa's Secret has black tea, peppermint, rice flour, palm, and palm kernel oil. I don't know, that doesn't really match any of the things that I was smelling, but it actually smells really, really good. All right, we are done. We're done with the advent calendars. All right, bye guys. Just kidding. I am just kidding. Okay, do we leave the glasses on or not? Let's take these off. Whew. So that's it. We are at the end of Vlogmas. I honestly can't believe it. I have definitely learned a lot this Vlogmas, and I think I'm a better creator for it. I doubted myself a lot going into Vlogmas. When I started planning for Vlogmas, it was sometime in the summer, very early fall, and I had a hardcore plan. I was going to do all of these things on these specific days. And as the season grew closer and so many changes in our lives started to happen, I began to doubt if Vlogmas was even an option for me. So I changed the plan, and then I changed the plan again. But the big thing for me was that I just didn't completely give up, even when I truly wanted to. It just really gave me a chance to learn what I am capable of. Honestly, last year I didn't post a video every single day because truthfully, I was scared. I was scared of what would happen if I didn't post every day and I said I was gonna post every day. I was definitely scared of that this year too. I went and determined that I was going to post a video every single day, and I did it. But the most important thing is that I didn't do it by myself. I did it with each and every one of you that showed up, even if it was just for one or two of the videos. I know that this is a lot of content to consume, and I know that there are a lot of people out there that you love. I'm in the same boat. I was catching up on videos earlier today, and even just giving us a few minutes of your time here and there is so greatly appreciated. And for those of you that just continued to show up, like I said, even if it was for one or two videos, or even if this is the only Vlogmas video of mine that you managed to catch, thank you, thank you, thank you from the bottom of my heart for showing up. There really aren't any more words for me to say. To just show you how much I appreciate you guys. I really, really do. And what was really cool was all of the amazing milestones that I was able to reach on my channel because you guys showed up. We reached 20,000 subscribers here. I uploaded my 350th video, and I reached 2 million views on my channel. I realize that I am a very small fish on this platform, but I love this so much, and this Vlogmas season helped me realize that more than ever. And those little milestones are nice little motivators to keep going, but at the end of the day, those are really just metrics. It's really the community, and like I said, those of you guys who watch, sometimes comment, all of those things, I love chatting with you guys down in the comments, are just, you guys blow me away. You blow me away. I said I wasn't gonna cry. So that's it. I hope that you guys have a Merry Christmas and a happy holiday season, and that you are safe wherever you are. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me this Vlogmas season, and I will see you in Monday's video. Bye everyone. Welcome to another day of Vlogmas. Welcome back to another day of Vlogmas. Welcome to another day of Vlogmas, and welcome to another day of Vlogmas. Welcome to another day of Vlogmas. Whoa, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you.